God bless. I'm here for all of you. You are somebody, and this is what this song's about. Hope you like it. Listen to the words. Thank you. Can you see me? I'm right here. Can you listen? 'Cause I've been trying to make you notice what you mean to me. Feel like somebody. I'm on my way to nowhere. Trying so hard to get there. I said, oh, we gotta let it show. Gotta know everything. Hold me back on dreams and try to make them alive. Shine so they can't see. We were meant to be. So somebody, somehow, someday, some way, somebody. Are you so tired? Yeah. And then if I below the surface, and to me, feel like the light of me, and on the end now, it's a long way down, and I say, oh, we're gonna let it show, we're gonna go over everything, hold it back on dreams and try. Come make them alive. Turn on, shine so they can see. We were meant to be. So somebody, somehow, someday, some way, somehow we will walk out of this darkness. We'll put like glowing like a yellow star. Oh, oh, oh. Then we fought together. We back up, we were right as one. Oh, oh, oh. We're gonna let it show. We're gonna close it out of everything. Holding back on dreams and try. We're gonna come alive. We're gonna shine so they can't see. We were meant to be. So somebody, somehow, some way, somebody, somebody. Thank you.